Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to place a block in MicroSurvey's MSCAD. Now you can see on screen here, I have my cul-de-sac block built and ready to go. It's already been saved as a block. I already have this block ready to use in my job. If I want to place another one of these, I'm just going to go to the Insert tab and I'm going to click on Insert Block. Then I can either choose from File or an existing block in the project. I already have this block in my project. It's called cul-de-sac. I'm going to choose that one and I'm going to click OK. Now you can see the block is locked to my mouse. I can click and drag around to place it. Then I can click and drag around to scale it. And then finally I'll be able to click and drag around to lock it. As always, all these values can be entered in the command line down below if I know the rotation angle or the scale of the block that I want. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or you know what you'd like to see next from this series, leave it in a comment down below. If you found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see all the helpful content we have for MSCAD coming down the line, subscribe to our channel. You can always give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca and we can help with whatever surveying equipment needs you might have. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.